Wise Onion Nutrition's Cancer Detox Formula, a natural ally in mitigating virus, lifestyle and any lingering side effects from vaccine-related health issues. Viruses and lifestyle issues have left an indelible mark on global health, with rising incidences of aggressive cancers, blood clotting disorders, and chronic inflammatory conditions reported in its wake. Studies from 2023 to 2025 suggest that virus infection, and to a lesser extent, its vaccines may exacerbate systemic inflammation, immune dysregulation, and oxidative stress. Additionally, parasitic infections, often transmitted through close contact with pets, seafoods, and/or lifestyle in general, can compound these risks by further promoting inflammation and immune suppression. Wise Onion Nutrition's Cancer Detox Formula, a proprietary herbal blend featuring red clover, green walnut, sweet wormwood, nattokinase, bromelain, quercetin, turmeric, jaugalin, turkey tail, dandelion root, milk thistle, black cumin, clove, and potentially ecamanin, offers a holistic approach to counter these effects. By targeting inflammation, supporting detoxification, boosting immunity, and addressing parasitic burdens, this formula may play a beneficial role in mitigating the negative health effects that often lead to cancerous activity within one's body, thus empowering individuals to reclaim vibrant health. Since the onset of the pandemic, research has documented a 20 to 30% increase in aggressive and late-stage cancers, particularly in breast, lung, and colorectal cancers. This surge is attributed to multiple factors: systemic inflammation triggered by viruses creating a cytokine storms, and delayed screenings may cause potential reactivation of dormant cancer cells. Blood clotting disorders, notably venous thromboembolism, have also risen, with cancer patients facing a 33% higher risk of clotting post-virus infection. Long COVID symptoms such as fatigue, shortness of breath, and neurological issues further complicate recovery, mimicking side effects of cancer treatments. The vaccine, while reducing hospitalization risk by 29 to 30% in cancer patients, have been associated with rare side effects, including immune stress and inflammation in some populations. Parasitic infections, such as Toxoplasma gondii and Giardia from pet exposure, can exacerbate these issues by promoting chronic inflammation and immune suppression. This is also true when eating raw or near raw seafood. COVID-19 triggers a hyperinflammatory state, with cytokine storms causing oxidative stress and tissue damage, which can exacerbate cancer progression and clotting risks. Turmeric. Curcumin is a well-documented anti-inflammatory agent that inhibits NF-κB and cytokine production, reducing systemic inflammation. Quercetin. This flavonoid scavenges reactive oxygen species and modulates inflammatory pathways like IL-6, which are elevated in COVID-19 and long COVID. Black cumin. Thymoquinone suppresses pro-inflammatory cytokines and enhances antioxidant defenses, mitigating inflammation. Bromelain. This enzyme reduces inflammation by breaking down inflammatory complexes, potentially alleviating long COVID symptoms like fatigue. The virus and its vaccines can strain immune responses, particularly in cancer patients who may experience immunosuppression or immune dysregulation. Turkey tail. Its beta-glucans enhance T-cell and NK cell activity, boosting anti-tumor immunity and countering immunosuppression from the virus or the vaccine. Jaugalin. As an adaptogen, jaugalin supports immune resilience, helping the body adapt to stressors like viral infections or vaccine-related immune activation. Ecamanin. This aloe-derived compound stimulates macrophage activity, enhancing immune responses against infections and abnormal cells. The increased risk of blood clots in virus patients, particularly those with cancer, is driven by endothelial dysfunction and hypercoagulability. Nattokinase. This enzyme has fibrinolytic properties that break down blood clots, potentially reducing venous thromboembolism risk and supporting healthy circulation. Clove. Eugenol has mild anticoagulant properties, complementing nattokinase to support vascular health and reduce hypercoagulable states. Parasitic infections such as Toxoplasma gondii, Giardia lamblia, and Cryptosporidium, transmitted through pet exposure, can exacerbate inflammation and immune suppression. Sweet wormwood. Highly effective against Plasmodium, Schistosoma, and Toxoplasma gondii, artemisinin disrupts parasite membranes and induces oxidative stress in pathogens. Green walnut. Traditionally used to expel Toxocara and Giardia, it reduces parasite load and associated inflammation through its active compound juglone. The virus and parasitic infections introduce toxins that strain the liver and lymphatic systems, potentially exacerbating chronic illnesses. Dandelion root enhances liver and kidney function, aiding in the elimination of parasite-derived toxins and inflammatory byproducts through its sesquiterpenes. Milk thistle protects liver cells and promotes regeneration, supporting detoxification of virus-related metabolic stress through its active compound silymarin. Red clover supports blood purification, reducing systemic toxin load and aiding lymphatic health through its isoflavones and other active compounds. The formula's ingredients directly target cancer pathways, which may be exacerbated by COVID-19's inflammatory effects. Sweet wormwood induces apoptosis and autophagy in breast, lung, and liver cancer cells. Black cumin inhibits tumor growth and angiogenesis in colorectal, breast, and lung cancers, while clove inhibits proliferation in hepatocellular carcinoma. Turkey tail and quercetin boost anti-tumor immunity and inhibit cancer cell proliferation via AMPK and MAP pathways, potentially mitigating increased cancer risk. Wise Onion Nutrition's Cancer Detox formula aligns with the growing demand for natural solutions to address health challenges. The global complementary and alternative medicine market, valued at $154.69 billion in 2024, is projected to grow at a 23.9% CAGR in the U.S. Funding through the Indiegogo campaign will support clinical trials to validate these benefits, ensuring a high-quality, evidence-based product. The formula's ingredients are generally safe, with low interaction risks when used in standardized doses. However, black cumin and clove may affect drug metabolism. The campaign must avoid unapproved claims and frame the formula as supporting immune health and detoxification to comply with FDA regulations. Clinical trials funded by the campaign will further ensure safety and efficacy through rigorous scientific testing. Wise Onion Nutrition's Cancer Detox formula offers a promising natural approach to mitigate the negative health effects of the carcinogens that have inundated our daily life. By reducing inflammation, supporting immunity, addressing blood clotting risks, combating parasitic infections, and promoting detoxification, this formula targets root causes. As the world grapples with rising cancer rates and chronic illnesses, this formula represents a beacon of hope, empowering individuals to take control of their health naturally. By supporting the Indiegogo campaign, backers can join a movement to advance global wellness, harnessing nature's wisdom to create a healthier, more vibrant future.